Welcome back again, dear all students. Today we're gonna discuss about basic HTML table on our lesson 10. Table is very important elements on HTML page. In a website. By using table, you can place any text, image, video file, audio file, or any kind of animated file on a certain area of your website. Wherever you want to place, you can use the table on that area of your page, and you can insert that information by using table. Let's go and have a look the example which will make you more clear on it. Here we go. I have prepared the code before I start this lesson. Here we go. Let's start from here. Here, as you can see, it's heading of the table, a basic HTML table. H2 means heading 2, and then start tag of the table, and this is the closing tag of the table. In between these two tags, we are defining the row, first row. TR means table row, and this TR this is the initial tag of the first row, and this is the closing tag of the first row, and this is the second row, the starting of the second row. This is the end of the second row. This is the third row, starting of third row, and then closing tag of the third row. So in each row, you all know that on the first row it's usually like table heading and title should be on it. In the table, we all see that the first row, in the first row of the table, we use that row as a heading. So that's the reason we put this tag. TH means table heading, and this is the closing tag of the table heading. So in the first heading, we are writing that company. Second heading, it's about contact, and third heading is about country. So in this table will be about company, contact, and country name. So this is the first row has finished, and in the second row, in first cell, in the first column, as you know, is a company here. This one, it's the name of that company of in the first row. Second row, it's Alfred's Futterkists. So as you can see, it's saying TD, it's not saying TH. So TH means heading, and TD means table data. So table data means each cell of that table. So once I will show the view of this code, the result of this code, you will get more idea on it. How does it looks like? So let's see. Let's have a look a proper view of after using this code. How does it looks like in the page? So this is the second row, Alfred, Maria, Andres, Germany, and this is the first cell. This is the second cell of the second row. This is the third cell of the second row. And here you go. The next row is got again company name in the first cell. Second cell has got the name, contact person name, and then third cell of the third row has got the country name, Mexico. And this is the closing of the third row. Now let's go to the page where I actually opened it from here, and this is the result. This is the result. It looks like a basic HTML table. This one I represent by using this code. I can show you. This is the code, a heading, which is representing here, and this is the table starting. As you can see, the border line of the each cell, which comes by using some CSS code, which I will show you here. on the top, you know, between heading and body, you can place any CSS tag which will affect on your page according to your link of that style CSS code. So in this style code, you can see I have written table comma th comma td. That means and then curly bracket. Inside the curly bracket, I have written border colon 1 pixel solid and black. So that means for this table and the table heading and the table row, that means table data, table cell, will have border size of 1 pixel with black ink. So that's what it's representing, that's what is showing on the picture, on the result here. That see the border of this table of each cell and the whole table like black 1 pixel border. That's why it's showing the border like that. So to make you can watch my video on CSS lesson. It's a lesson 5, just to make yourself clear that how does actually CSS code work and how does it link with the code. So just to refresh your mind, I can tell you that table, that means table will this table will have the same border, exactly the same, or this heading will have the same border as well, and the table data, that means cell, also will have the same code, result of the same code, and which is I have used here it is called internal CSS, internal sheet. There are 3 kind of CSS, which is internal, external, and inline CSS. So I have used here internal CSS. You can watch my video on lesson 5 about the CSS, then it will be more clear to you. So let's go to the table now. It's here. So the first row, that means this is the row. This whole row is this one. First is company, second cell is contact, and third cell information heading is country. So company, contact, country, and then cell close, tr close, so which is here, is been closed. And then second row is started from here, and that's why I have used tr again, which is start from here and then close in here. So see, as you can see, after Germany, I have closed this tr with code ending code, and in between I have used td, means table data, each cell. This one is one cell, this one is second cell, this one is third cell of the second row, and same way the third row as well. The first cell of the third row, second cell of the third row, and third cell of the third row, and this is ending of the table. So third row is start from here and then ending here, and this is the end of the table. I hope this code will give you the idea of the basic table, how to make by using HTML, and how you can actually implement in any area of your web page. Thank you very much for your time. If you have any question on this, you can feel free to ask me, or you can give us a comment. And please don't forget to subscribe us to get more lessons on this course. Thank you very much.